Good day everyone, my name is Raymark A. Morales under the OL22 E61. This subject is Criminal Evidence OLCPC LJ3 and I answered the 10 questions. Number 1. What is the burden of proof? Burden of proof, also called burden persuasion or unus probandi, it is the duty to the party to present evidence on the facts in using necessary to establish his claim or difference by the amount of evidence required by the law. Number 2. What is the burdens of evidence? Burdens of evidence, also called unus evidentiae, this is the burden to going forward with the evidence. Number 3. What is the difference between burdens of proof and burdens of evidence? Burdens of proof, burden of proof never shifts and it remains to the party upon whom it is imposed, while burdens of evidence shift from party to party depending upon the exigencies in the case of the course by the trial. Number 4. What is the main presumption? Presumption is the rule of the law stating that because the basic facts exist, another also facts it exists. Number 5. What is the two example of presumption? Presumption of juris or presumption of law, and number 2 is presumption of hominis or presumption of fact. Number 6. What is the two basic legal types of presumption? Number 1 is conclusive presumption and number 2 is disputable presumption. Number 7. Give two example of conclusive presumption. Number 1 is estupel in pais or equitable estupel, and number 2 is estupel with the tenant. Number 8. Give 10 examples of disputable presumption. Number 1 is that a person is innocent of crime or wrong. Number 2, that an unlawful act is done with an unlawful intent. Number 3, that a person takes ordinary cares of his concern. Number 4, the writing is truly dated. Number 5, that the official duty has been regularly performed. Number 6, that a private transaction has been fair and regularly. Number 7, that the ordinary course of the business to be followed. Number 8, that there are sufficient consideration for a contract. Number 9, that the money paid by one to another is due to the latter. Number 10, that obligation delivered up to the debtor has been paid. And number 9, who can contest the legitimacy of the child to his wife? Only the husband can contest to the legitimacy of the child to his wife. Number 10. What is the doctrine of rep ipsa loquitur? Rep ipsa loquitur is the Latin phrase, literally means the things or the transaction itself. That's all. Thank you.